Hello everyone, in this video I'll be comparing two popular budgeting apps Monarch Money and Copilot Money to help you decide to choose. Monarch Money is a comprehensive financial tool that lets you track everything from daily expenses to investments. It has a user-friendly interface, integrates with a broad range of financial institutions and is ideal for long-term financial planning. You can link credit cards, investment accounts and even real estate, giving you a complete financial picture. Now let's move forward to the Copilot Money. Copilot focuses on AI-driven insights and daily spending tracking. It categorizes your spending and provides personalized tips to help you understand your habits better. It also integrates with Google Sheets for full customization. Copilot is known for its simplicity and has a 4.8 rating from over 1,000 reviews. It has a great for beginners who want to track daily expenses. Let me show you the key differences of the both websites. Monarch Money excels at providing a full financial picture, including its investment tracking, and is great for those who want a comprehensive tool. And the Copilot Money shines with its daily expense tracking, AI insights, and Google Sheets integration. It's perfect for beginners and those who prefer simplified budgeting with data integration. Monarch Money costs around 8.50 per month or $40.90 for a few months, but you can try it for 7 days for free. Copilot Money is free, but for additional features you may need to pay. So that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more of this type of contents. See you in the next video.